Can build a welding machine under 150 rupees? Sorry guys, in 150 rupees I can't made. In my area all material is so much high rate and I made this experiment under 200 rupees. I think so 50 rupees different, 150 and 200. Guys, first I took 150 rupees. I don't know the components is high rate or low rate. Warning, if you are a beginner, don't try to make this experiment anywhere, college or school. And guys, in jet speed, I am going to shop. And finally I reached to shop. And guys, first we need PVC pipe 4 inch or 5 inch. Your wish. And guys, the shop uncle told me to bring yourself. And guys, finally I selected the PVC pipe. After that we have to take 4 bolts and 2 nuts and also 4 washners. Guys, my expectations is gone. Guys, this is not a normal shop. They costed me around 330 rupees. 2 bottom caps and 1 gum and bolts and nuts, 1 PVC pipe and also 12 number welding rods I took. First I given 150 rupees and I don't have 50 rupees change. Guys, in the bottom place caps I took 1 long PVC pipe. Sorry guys, the concept is fully changed. I promise you guys making a welding machine under 150 rupees, but material costed me around 50 rupees overcharge. And guys, I don't recommend to come this shop. This is a worst shop ever I seen. Guys, in the place of bottom caps, I already told I took 1 long PVC pipe. In the place of that, we have to do lot of hard work. Now I will tell what things I have brought from shop. Again, I am telling the extra pipe only for bottom and the orange color pipe is for main. And guys, the PVC pipe height is around 5 feet. See?
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है, ये बात है.
Guys, this material you need see correctly, and also guys you need 1 cutting plier. And guys, also you need some high ampere electric wires, and if you use low ampere electric wires, and after that we will sand the orange color pipe. And guys, after that we have to cut the white color pipe straightly. And guys, after that cutting we have to make a sheet, while we can use a hot air gun or fire to make like that sheet. And guys, mark a hole according to the size of the orange color pipe. Make a 2 holes on the orange color pipe. Keep the bolts tightly. The bolts should be not move here and there. And if you want to get best result from this welding machine, use 6 mm wires. And also you need 1 cup of salt. Reshape the PVC pipe like a U shape, and you have to keep 1 hole on 1 cap for that PVC pipe. Paste the cap on PVC pipe with Fevikwik. Also paste the pipe on the cap. And guys, use the gum for the water leakaging proof. And guys, let it dry for 2 hours. And guys, after that take 1 wire attached to the iron clip. And guys, connect the 2 wires of 2 terminals of PVC box. The 1 wire should be freely and another wire should be touched to cutting plier. And after that pour some salt in the box and also pour some water according to the box size, means around 600 to 700 ml. And don't fill much more water, and salt should be melted in water. Keep the extension box to not free play the wire. And guys, connect the neutral point to metal part which you want to do welding. Guys, connect the another wire to PVC box. We have to follow the safety rules, guys, otherwise we can get shock. First thing, we have to wear the sunglasses or welding glasses, and also you have to wear shoes and gloves. In my case, I don't have gloves. Guys, if you have any doubt, please comment down. Congratulations guys, you made a one welding machine, portable welding machine. Guys, please follow all rules I told in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye.